What you doing, Scotty?
Wow. Well, I'm hoping, and I think I can.
He's like the little engine that kid.
Literally.
Yeah, we'll just pop these 2 bolts and drop that whole thing out.
Yep. I'd like to soak it if I can.
Soak it. Oh, yeah, that bolt came out real fun.
Surprisingly enough, it came out.
I know.
And I didn't spray this one. I've sprayed everything else, as you can tell, because of the control arms. These are going to be an absolute nightmare. I mean, they just are.
Those babies gotta come out.
Yeah, because we got to get the bushings pressed in. And I'm hoping, God, I wish we could just soak them overnight in a big, huge vat.
Yeah, that ain't
It'd be so nice to make this look a lot better, but, you know, I'll do the best I can with what I've got to work with.
No, we're not gonna spend...
Well, that's why I'm going to do the best I can with what I've got to work with.
Just a quick cleanup, right?
Yeah.
It's not a full resto down here. It's a spruce up.
I would love to do it, though. This car is so beautiful. It really is. I'd love to put my time in it and just go, you know what, guys? I'll send you the bill when I'm done restoring it all.
Oh,
Well, look at the 56 bird that we did.
yeah, that turned out really nice.
That was beautiful. I mean, the customer's still ranting and raving about it.
In a good way.
Yes, yes, which I'm very thankful for. I'm glad I got to be a part of that.
Which, that's going on the lift next.
The T-Bird?
No, his other car. His Imperial.
Oh, that's right. I forgot about that. He's coming in with that one.
Yes. When I come back from
Okay.
my trip.
Yeah, I'm going on a trip. I get a fucking vacation.
You do too, whenever you want.
I want a paid vacation to
I can give you a permanent
Hawaii.
one. How about a permanent one right now?
Sure, I can go home. I've got real far to drive.
Have a nice walk. Oh my
Yeah,
god.
considering I live, what, 2 blocks over? A block over?
If that.
Yeah. But yeah, I'll try and get this down and get it soaked up. I'm hoping I can. I mean, if not, I might just leave it alone because I don't... Some of the rust is bad in certain areas, and I can't guarantee all the bolts are going to come off, and I don't want to have to drill and everything else. It's just not worth the headache.
Well,
3 days to take out 1 bolt? Yeah, no.
not happening around here. We're
Yeah,
not doing that.
no.
So, you got that going.
Yep. So I'll drop the exhaust. I got the 2 bolts there to do, and then this just slides out. I'm sorry, slides off. Yep. So I'll slide this off and go from there,
All right.
and then drop the exhaust.
Problem solved.
So we hope. So we hope.
All right. Well,
But all right, guys, we'll let you go.
Keep
Have
digging.
a good one, and hasta mañana.
hasta mañana. You're not going to see him tomorrow. You're going to see him in like 25 minutes when we make another video.
Ciao, Bella.
Al dente pasta.
Pasta vazoo.
Pasta burrito.
Don't get anything on you.
A Super Mario Brothers. See, I know foreign language, I swear.
I know a ton of foreign language.
Orange chicken. Chow mein.
Something along those lines.
Chimichanga. Burrito baño. Anyway.
On that note, that we're completely off topic and not even doing what we're paid to do, we will see you guys on the next one.